Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today we have an epic showdown between two compact treadmills, the Yemsd Walking Pad Treadmill and the Vi-Plat Walking Pad Treadmill.
Get ready for some serious walking action.
Let's kick things off with the most important factor for many of us, the price. Both treadmills come in at an affordable $249.
It's a tie in the price department, folks. Now let's talk about the design.
The Yemsd Walking Pad Treadmill is slim and sleek, measuring approximately 49*24 inches. It's like the treadmill version of a supermodel. On the other hand, the Vi-Plat Walking Pad Treadmill is also compact, but has its built-in wheels for easy storage.
It's like the James Bond of treadmills, always ready to roll. Next up, let's talk about motor power. The Yemsd Walking Pad Treadmill boasts a powerful 2.25 HP motor, capable of handling up to 286 pounds. That's like having a Hulk on your side during your workout. Meanwhile, the Vi-Plat Walking Pad Treadmill offers a slightly more powerful 2.5 HP motor, supporting up to 242 pounds.
It's like having Thor himself cheering you on.
Time to hit the ground running belt comparison. The Yemsd Walking Pad Treadmill features a wide non-slip running belt, measuring approximately 40*15 inches. With 5 layers of non-slip running straps and 8 silicone shocks, it's like walking on a cloud. On the other hand, the Vi-Plat Walking Pad Treadmill comes with a shock-absorbent and non-slip running belt, equipped with 8 impact-absorbing zones.
It's like having a personal masseuse for your feet.
Now let's dive into the exciting world of additional features. The Yemsd Walking Pad Treadmill comes with LED displays and a smart remote. You can track your speed, distance, time, and calories burned in real time. Plus, the remote controller allows you to change the speed or stop the machine with ease.
It's like having a personal trainer right at your fingertips. On the other hand, the Vi-Plat Walking Pad Treadmill offers a unique feature called the running belt Never-deviate technology. Say goodbye to constantly adjusting a misaligned treadmill. With this technology, the treadmill stays on track, even if you're doing a wild dance routine while walking.
It's like having a GPS for your treadmill.
The Yemsd Walking Pad Treadmill and the Vi-Plat Walking Pad Treadmill battled it out, and both are impressive contenders.
Ultimately, it comes down to personal preference and the specific features that matter most to you. Thank you for watching Buy Smart, where we help you make smarter purchasing decisions. See you next time.